Well, hello and welcome everybody again. This is an edition of Gears Overdrive, a special edition of Gears Overdrive. Today we have in our studio for the first time a visitor from way down south of the equator, from Melbourne, Australia. We have John Khoury from the Australasia chapter. We want to give him a big shout out and a big welcome. And we're grateful to have him here just before Expo. He's here for Expo. And John, nice to have you here and just saying hello.
Yes.
How was your flight down here?
Well, very excited to be here, and it's great to have the opportunity to tour the head office where all the magic happens. It's a long flight from Melbourne, Australia, but we got here. We made it happen.
All right. Glad to have you here. Definitely glad to have you here for the first time. Yeah, there's a lot that's happening in Australia right now as far as in the transmission industry, and John is at the forefront not only of the automatic transmission side, but a lot on the automotive policy side of things. Did you want to just give us a little bit of an overview of what you have, what you're involved with down there?
Yeah. There's a lot that I'm involved with. So at the VACC, which is the Victorian Automotive Chamber of Commerce. It's an organisation similar to ATRA, but we deal in a lot of different sectors such as advocacy, training and development. We also provide technical services as well. So industrial relations, I'm not sure whether industrial relations is a big thing in America, but we have a team of industrial relations specialists that help members with their inquiries. As far as my area is concerned, in policy and advocacy, there's never a dull day in the automotive industry and working with government. A lot of them coming out with some interesting ideas, which we either support, and most of the time we don't support. We want to try and keep the auto industry growing, and we've got some issues, especially with skilled labour and skilled technicians. And trying to keep the shop door open, basically.
There you go. Well, you heard it from a source not even in the United States. We're having the same similar problems here in the United States, shortage of labor, and trying to do everything we can to make the shops profitable and make sure that they keep their doors open. So again, support is necessary, and we definitely appreciate the job that John does as it relates to ATRA. He's opened the door. He was instrumental in opening the door for training that happens in Australia every year, usually around July. He's the one that's instrumental in bringing the seminar, the ATRA seminar for Australasia, into that country. So again, very excited about what's happening there. And I know we're in talks as far as where it's going to be next year.
Yes.
Any headway on that?
Look,
give them a preview.
I'm sort of torn between going back to Melbourne, or there's also a push for New Zealand, so that might be on the cards as well. But look, as far as ATRA is concerned, with our members, very, very behind the association and our partnership with ATRA. And wanted to continue, so it's in a good position at the moment, and we wanted to grow, obviously. But yeah, training is a big part of it, but also I think the sense of community and belonging to something that's greater than the person on the shop floor means a lot. So yeah, it's good to be part of.
Definitely. Sounds great. Anybody want to give a shout out to Down Under?
Yeah, well, obviously the membership, obviously the members who are part of ATRA, the chair of the ATRA, chapter, Australasian chapter, Bob Trainer, and the committee, Richard, Aaron, John, and the others that are involved. We're obviously always on the lookout for others to join the committee and help shape the direction of where we want it to be. So if you're out there and you want to get involved, please do. My number. It's on the ATRA Australasia chapter website. just look me up, and we'll be more than happy to help.
Great to have you here, John. Thanks a lot for the quick chat there. Again, if you are in the Australasia area, anywhere Australasia, Oceania even, and you want transmission support, you do want to get a hold of the ATRA chapter in Australasia. So again, look us up on the website, atra.com, and look under Australasia, and you'll be able to find contact, and you can get in contact with the members there and the people, the staff that is in charge, and you can become a member and have access to all the transmission information that you need. Now, that's going to be it for this edition of Gears Overdrive, and we thank you very much for joining us for this special edition and having the special guest here. Thank you very much, John, for being here.
Thanks for having me.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.